estaba pensando en...
Today is day 8 of the Conversational Spanish Notebook Only course in school, the link to which is in the description of this video. Today we develop what I call a verb map, which will let you generate conversation in past, present, futures, simple, continuous, and perfect. That's a mouthful, grammar-wise. But it's all very intuitive, and we approach grammar as a creative tool. It's like a musical instrument. You play Spanish. It's not something you study, it's something you play like an instrument. In this course, we teach you to play Spanish like the instrument that it is. So enjoy the verb map episode of the video course.
This verb map is going to evolve into further out into your journal here. It's going to turn into a journal, is the point. So whatever you were doing earlier, you draw from that area of the verb map. Look, tons of metaphors. This is a palette. You know how artists have the palette? Your journal, you want to talk about what happened. That's the canvas. You go, oh, I estaba. Let me switch out hablando, like mix another little color in there. Hablando can be tomando, right? So I was drinking coffee. Dip my paintbrush into estaba tomando café, and let me come over to my next page, pretend in my journal, say, I'm going to tell you everything I did today, everything I can possibly tell you in my journal here. So, estaba hablando con Blanca y estaba tomando café. Y estaba, I was thinking about, how do you say thinking about? Hey, ChatGPT, how do you say thinking? Oh, thinking is pensando. Okay, beautiful. I know where that goes on the map now. Every Spanish textbook out there is not going to put, they are afraid of this or something. They don't, it'll be chapter 9. You have to flip through the book. This palette is at the push of a button, you're able to, okay. I was thinking, estaba pensando. Yeah, estaba pensando and okay. What if we went from continuous up to simple past? So what does simple past look like? Well, if simple continuous is I was doing this, estaba tomando café. Simple should just be I did that. I simply did it. So what did I do? I spoke with Blanc. I drank a cup of coffee. I did this, did that, I did this, I did that. That's how simple past looks. And the pattern there it begins with this. Take hablo, switch out the O for E, and if you say hablé, means I spoke. So let me go to my journal and tell you about everything that I did. So hablé, get the pattern? Hablé con Blanca, hablé inglés con Blanca, hablé español con Blanca, hablé poquito italiano con Blanca. Drink. Tomé. Tomé café hoy. Or you could say no tomé café hoy. In my case, sadly, no tomé café hoy yet. No tomé café. ¿Tú?
No tomé café.
No tomé café. Blanca, hablé inglés hoy. ¿Tú también?
Poquito.
Poquito. Hablé español hoy. Okay. Hablé poquito italiano. ¿Tú?
Yo hablé poquito.
¿Hablé poquito italiano también? Muy bien.